What is up, you guys? It's another beautiful day coming back at y'all again. You know what? I can't believe how fast the weather kind of transitioned. It feels like just the other day, you know, we was having 110 degree days, and now it's average of 90 to like 80, something like that. And dude, it makes such a difference. I mean, I don't know how many of y'all actually work outside out there. I'm sure a good majority of y'all or have or do, or, you know, at some point in time at least find yourself spending a good amount of time outside. When it starts getting up there to them hot, you know, temperatures, it's almost kind of crazy sometimes. Of course, it could always be worse, right? I heard Texas is still hotter than over here in Oklahoma, but man, sometimes it feels like it is just unrelenting. I think it's kind of funny. I have a habit now, since I'm used to driving the Harleys, of not turning my blinker off. And oh my gosh, I've been fighting with myself, because it feels like every other time I sit down and like actually pay attention down there, you know what I mean? It's like, dang, I have a damn blinker on. How long have I been driving with my blinker on, you know? Because that's not necessarily the best thing to do. And you just look new, you know what I mean? You're like, why is bro's blinker on? But it's so different not having it turn off by itself, which I guess I just never thought about the fact that I just don't put no thought into it at all. So I guess that makes sense. Since I've gotten the bike, I've mainly been riding this just to kind of get used to it. At some point in time, I do eventually think I'm going to eventually try to get a faster sport bike than this, but this right here is going to be my bread and butter for a little bit, for as far as the go fast stuff. As we get closer to winter, I will say that the content will actually become more about this bike, just simply for the fact that this is probably going to be the bike that I'm zipping around on all winter time, opposed to on the Harley, even though there's some stuff on the Harley that I am ready to see how well it works in the winter time. Gonna give it the beans over there, huh? as I was saying before we got on the highway, I do plan on doing more content over this bike in the winter time, and then as soon as we get back to the summertime, or at least when it starts getting to get warm again, we'll probably continue more of the, you know, like travel videos. I don't know sure what you guys would call it, you know, if it's just a typical riding video or if it's a travel video, because a lot of the times, you know, it's not quite as cinematic as some of the bigger channels out there, you know. So I'm not sure exactly what you would call them, but I kind of call them like travel videos. I like to go explore different places anyways. We do have one more on the list. I plan on going to see Mount Scott sometime soon, like within the next month or so. That's my big plan. That's going to be my last travel video, I guess, that I'm going to do. Did you guys see that? I need to learn to shift down before I just give it the beans. And see, that's another thing, you know, bouncing back between the two of them. I'm just getting used to the bikes altogether. When I spend a little bit more time on one bike versus the other, it kind of throws me off, but I have noticed I have been getting better at it. But you guys, I hope you liked the video. Hope y'all like seeing what's going on or the future plans we got. I'm gonna go forward because I definitely am looking forward to this winter time. It's kind of funny, I wasn't really looking forward to winter time at all the way up until I got this, but I kind of got ideas now. I know what we're gonna do, so I'm pretty excited about it, boys. But if y'all liked what's going on here, let me know what y'all's thoughts and opinion on it, and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, you guys. Peace out.